this might be my last video of the year. I won't be making any more videos anytime soon. What am I supposed to say? My video count, or my view count's been dropping, so that was one reason why I wanted to stop making videos. And I don't know, I just lost all motivation because of recent events. But my computer hard drive, my M.2 that's under here behind the video card, I did take a shit, so I went to Best Buy and got a new one. I went to get 970 Evo at 500 gigs to replace the Corsair MP 300, 500. I think it's the 500, and that was only like 250. Yeah, that was only 250 gigs. But yeah, I got into a really bad car accident. And you know, I ended up with a muscle strain on my neck. I ended up with a concussion, but I got discharged later that night, and you know, I got to take 3 days off of work, so it really hurts. Over the course of, you know, the 3 days that I'm off, the pain has subsided a little bit, but you know, nothing alcohol can't fix, right? Right? But no, actually alcohol made it worse. Anyway, yeah, it's really bad. It's really bad. Me and Robert started to, you know, strip the car yesterday. But yeah, and we had people come in here fix our window, and anyway, I'm gonna go get dressed and we go down to the garage and then go from there. Here she is, all jacked up. Here are some pictures of the accident, or you know, after the accident. Yeah, it's really bad. The car went under the car ahead of me when the car behind me pushed me. And what's amazing about the accident is that all of my parts are still fine. The flares are still intact. My mirrors were intact. I just took them off. They're in there. If you could see where the spoiler was, I'm pretty sure that got hit. And the spoiler is still intact. Can you believe that? I mean, it's a little scuffed up, but man, that's still fine. My wheels are fine. I think my radiator is fine. I don't know yet, but there is a puncture right here to the hose, which is probably why I was losing coolant. And my intercooler is I don't know. Yeah, you can't see it. I have to wait till later, but the tab broke off the intercooler, but I think the intercooler is fine, so I don't know. I have to jack up the car and see some more damages. The flares are still good. That's crazy. And took out the other mirror. The radiator diversion panel is bent, but it's aluminum. That's still fine. I could bang that out. This is still intact, the wiper cowl. I took out the door seal. I took out the seat and put the stock one in. Yeah. I started taking out my gauges. I replaced the steering wheel, so no more aftermarket quick release or anything like that. Yeah, basically just going to strip the whole car, take off all my parts, and go from there. Will I get another Miata? Probably not. Probably if there's another 96 or 95, 97. This broke. Yeah, so the CSI broke, but the other one is fine. See? Yeah, that one's fine. I already took out the intake. I took out my valve bolts. Yeah, anyway, you get the idea. I'm gonna start taking all my parts off. My clutch and my flywheel, I don't know about yet. I might take the engine and the tranny and the diff, but I gotta find a place to store it while I strip it, because if I get another car, I gotta throw it in here for parking and stuff like that. Yeah, it's just really depressing. Really depressing. My lip is fine. That's been dragged, scraped all on the ground on the trailer and everything, and that shit's still intact. See what happens when you buy quality parts instead of reps? They last. Yeah. The trunk got caved in. Plates broken. The relocation kit, I don't know if you remember the one that I had that was like right here. Yeah, that thing snapped off, so that's not working anymore. It's broken. I still have to take out my wideband, all my kill switches. I have to take out my EDFC. I have to take out my gauges. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff to do with the concussion. Yeah, but I think that's pretty much it for the video. I have nothing else to explain or show you guys. It's pretty much just me stripping the car, taking my parts out, ending YouTube, maybe social media altogether. I don't know yet. It's just one of those time periods, mourning time period, grieving time period, whatever, call it what you want. The reason why I'm putting my old parts back in, because I still need the adjuster to come out and look at the car and give me some fucking money, because they insure shitty drivers. Fuck bastards. Alright, I wish I could say I'll see you in the next one, but this is probably the last video, so